Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of uploading a profile photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your profile photo is often the first impression others have of you online, so let's make sure it's just right. Here are the steps to upload your profile photo. Step 1. Go to your profile on X, Twitter, by clicking on your profile picture or username. Step 2. Look for the Edit Profile button on your profile page and click on it to access the editing options. Step 3. Locate the camera icon associated with the profile photo and click on it to upload a new image. Step 4. After clicking on the camera icon, choose the option to Upload Photo to select the image you want to use as your profile picture. Step 5. Once you've uploaded your new profile photo, be sure to click or tap on the Save button to apply the changes to your profile. Well done. You've successfully uploaded a profile photo on X, Twitter, using your PC. Your profile will now display your chosen profile picture. Enjoy personalizing your profile to make it uniquely yours. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more social media tips. Thank you for watching.